What's up, Traders Edge? It's Mark Sebastian, your only option, and I'm here with your midweek update. Lots going on in today's video. I'm going to break down what we're doing in Option Pit for the month of January. I'm going to talk to you about the levels in the S&P 500, the Russell 2000, and the NASDAQ 100. We're going to take a look at the VIX, and we're going to talk about a couple of value propositions that I want to throw toward an expert to ask her opinion of what she thinks. So with that in mind, let's get down to business. All right, so here we are. We got the S&P 500. It is at a year high. It continues to move higher. It is inching its way toward 4,800. I think it's going to get there. Implied volatility still not at the lows that we saw in the middle of December. So there's still room for implied volatility to pull back a little bit. I'm liking the S&P up to 4,800. The NASDAQ 100, it is having a pretty nice day. Again, continues to move higher. It's all the way up to 412. That on the triple Q, that is the high for the year. We're basically at over a 2-year high. And even going back 5 years, we are at essentially an all-time high. So, it's interesting that we're hitting these new highs. And I want you to notice that implied volatility on the Qs is actually going up a little bit, feeling a little bit toppy here. All right, now, where are we seeing a little weakness? We're seeing it in the IWM, the Russell 2000. And it's had a really nice run. Little bit of a pullback here today. You can notice that the vol is going up. There's call demand happening. So we're watching to see. I think it's going to 210. I do, but we're not seeing vol really pull back. So there's definitely a little bit of, I want to see if we maybe spin some tops here for a little bit, have some spinning plates and sit here for a little bit, consolidate before we move. But that said, tomorrow's the last day of the year. We've got a lot of interesting things going on that I'm going to talk about tomorrow. But we've got a lot of interesting things going on into the end of the year. And so I wouldn't be surprised if we get a booming day out of the Russell 2000 tomorrow. Same for MDY, which is the mid caps. All right, now let's talk the volatility index, VIX. It's actually up today. And if you're watching the S&P rally, the Dow rally, the Qs rally, and you're wondering, how is volatility up a little bit? Shouldn't it be down? Well, today's rally is a little less broad than some of the rallies we've seen over the last week. Things like the IWM and the MDY are down. RSP, the equal weighted S&P, it's about 0.22, so it still is leading the S&P 500. I think this is going to maybe have one more big day tomorrow. All right. So for VIX, I think there is potential big downside here. So I want to show you VIX term structure. That Jan future is down to 14. So they're pricing in a potential huge drop in volatility, or VIX futures are way undervalued. I think it's probably the former. So I think you're going to see the VIX potentially make a run at below 12 in the next few days. That can happen as we head into the long weekend. All right, now, I said I wanted to talk to you about value propositions. All right, now, Lululemon. All right, Lululemon Athletica. This is a specialty retailer, and they make yoga pants and yoga gear and things like that. The company is worth $61.6 billion. $61.6 billion. Now, Target Corporation. Target is ginormous, right? Stores everywhere, massive amount of sales. Target is worth $65 billion, which means Lululemon, a small mall retail, is worth about the same as target. Now, I want to bring in an outside consultant, an outside expert. This is my niece, my goddaughter, Mary Sebastian. Mary, say hi to everybody.
Hi.
So, Mary,
yeah,
I know you're not a stock trader, right?
No, I have no clue what you're
You got a future career in nursing, correct?
Yeah.
All right. Now, but you do like clothing and shopping. You've been to Lulu.
Many.
You've been to Target.
Lots of times.
All right.
Yes.
So, as an outside observer,
okay,
do you think Lululemon should be worth about as much as Target?
No.
All right. There you go, everybody. You heard it from the expert. Lululemon should not be worth as much as Target.
A lot less stuff.
They do, and they have a lot less sales, and their PE ratio is worse.
So true.
Yeah. So there you have it, Mary. Thank you so much for your expertise. All right, now for January, Zero DTE January. This is a special event that we're doing just for the month of January. You're going to get up to 2 Zero DTE trades every single day, a weekly session with me and Leisha, potential 1 DTE overnight trades as well. This is going to be, we've got a special Facebook group set up for you. It is an absolutely spectacular opportunity at an incredible price. That's going to be up to like 50 trades over the course of the month. So this is an amazing opportunity to take advantage of the Zero DTE phenomenon, and you get access to that free as a member of joining. You get access to that 3-hour class that I did last Friday. It's an incredible value. The link is in this email. It's above me. It's below me. Click it. Check it out. Read through it. If you got emails, email my team, support@optionpit.com, or call us 888-872-3301. So for Mary Sebastian, the queen of future nurses, I'm Mark Sebastian. Your only option. Have a good one.